A proposal for the government and nonprofit organizations to buy hotels is getting more attention than you might expect.
Bob, it's an idea meant to give Utah's homeless population what they need most: homes. Fox 13's Max Roth joins us in the newsroom with a look. Max.
Yeah, Kelly and Bob, you know, one of the hardest hit industries of the pandemics, hospitality, hotels and motels. And one of the biggest crises in the state right now, homelessness and a lack of housing altogether. So the idea is to use one problem to help solve the other.
Homelessness is more visible, more common than it has been at any point in our state's history.
It's impossible to miss if you spend time in northern Utah's urban cores: Salt Lake, Provo, Ogden, tent camps in parks and on streets. Salt Lake County has 3 new shelters, but affordable permanent housing, next to none.
Shelters don't solve homelessness. Housing is what actually solves homelessness.
Money is coming available, likely $13.2 million from the American Rescue Plan, added to $15 million in state tax dollars. The Utah Coalition of Religious Communities and Crossroads Urban Center organized this Zoom gathering of state, county, and city leaders to push the idea that buying struggling hotels and motels could be the answer.
There is a lot of hotel inventory that's on the market to consider. And I know a number of our housing authorities are looking at it. I know a number of nonprofits that are looking at that opportunity.
It's happening on the West Coast. The hotel pictured in this Pew Research Center article is housing homeless people in California. The same article saying in Oregon, they're spending $65 million in state money to buy up 20 underused hotels. And Salt Lake County leased a hotel in this pandemic to house vulnerable people. But in their announcement, a nod to the possibility of drawing negative attention. The county will not be releasing the name or location of the hotel. And that could be the difficulty, convincing neighbors it's okay to have supportive housing for vulnerable people nearby.
We've got to get our communities on board. And I think the faith-based communities really can make an impact in that.
So while this might sound far-fetched, remember it was just last week that Gail Miller stood on Utah's Capitol steps with House and Senate leaders announcing a $750 million plan for fighting homelessness and providing affordable housing. So who knows what'll happen, but there is momentum on this issue. Live in the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.